think it's recording. Is that you?
Yeah.
What's your cat's name?
Sneaky boy.
Sneaky boy. There's Sneaky boy. You love Sneaky boy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it big? You have lights on it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Christmas house.
You have Christmas at your house?
Yeah.
Yes. You have Christmas lights at your house?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Aside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Really? Did Daddy put them up?
Yeah.
Did Raquel help? Yeah. And all your aunts and uncles. So we have Christmas lights on your house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think Justin has Christmas lights on his house?
Now.
No, why? I wouldn't say hi, Justin. Do you like Justin Bieber? Yeah? What's that song you like of his?
Justin, movies, my house.
Justin Bieber's at your house?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish Justin Bieber was at your house because I'd be there. You're so silly. Do you have Justin on the radio?
No.
How about show you off? Tonight I wanna show you off. What you got? A billion good I never got. But, right? Maybe in a crazy voice. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye, I love you.